Hey guys, Jason here with Quantum Courses, and in this tutorial, we'll be going over how to change your prices on Redbubble by adjusting your artist margins. On Redbubble, you can easily adjust the prices of any of the products that you sell. This can be done for individual items or for all products in bulk. When changing your prices on Redbubble, it's important to first understand how prices are calculated. The profit you receive for each sale is determined by your artist margin you set for each product. Your artist margin is the profit you will receive for each sale of a product and is calculated by multiplying the base price of a product by your markup percentage. So by adding your artist margin to the base price of a product, you can see the retail price that will be displayed in your store. And if any of your products are ever discounted, you can calculate your new artist margin by subtracting the discount from the base price, then multiplying it by your markup percentage. So for example, let's say a product you sell in your shop has a base price of $15. If you have a 20% markup, your artist margin would be the $15 base price multiplied by the 20% markup, which gives you an artist margin or profit of around $3. So each time you sell this product in your shop, you'll make $3. By adding the $3 margin to the $15 base price, you can see the retail price of $18 for the product. On Redbubble, you can't change the base price, but you can change your markup percentage, which will also change your artist margin or your profit. By default, Redbubble sets the markup for each product at 20%. This means that for each item that you sell, you'll receive 20% of the retail price. But this can be adjusted for each individual product in your shop or in bulk. If you're a beginner and need help creating awesome designs for your products, make sure you click my link in the video description to unlock your free trial of Canva Pro. With Canva Pro, you can access thousands of professional t-shirt design templates that you can easily customize any way that you like. You can also export your designs with transparency to add to your products, access the entire Canva library of images and graphics, unlock the background remover tool, and tons of other awesome features to help you build and grow your brand. To try Canva Pro for free, head over to jasongandy.org and click the Unlock Canva Pro button, or simply go to the link in the video description. So let's go over how you can update your prices on Redbubble by adjusting your margins. First, let's head over to my shop and find a product to adjust the price for. So as an example, let's say I wanted to change the price of this Karate Classic t-shirt here. Currently, the price is $22.66. But let's say it's selling really well and I want to raise the price a bit. Since it's already published to our store, to update our prices, we're gonna have to start by going to our Manage Portfolio menu. From here, let's go down to the search bar and look for the product that we want to change the price for. The example design I was looking at was a karate design, so let's type in karate. This will pull up all of my designs that contain the keyword of karate. So if we take a look at the first design here, we can see it's the one that we're looking for. To update product prices for this design, let's click the settings icon at the top right here, then click on the edit tab. This will take you to a page where you can edit all the options that you added when you uploaded your design. To edit the price of a particular product, let's scroll down to my product previews. For my example, I want to update the price of my classic t-shirt, so I'm gonna have to go to the standard print clothing category. Remember that some categories have multiple products, so let's click on Edit under Standard Print Clothing. From the editing menu here, let's click on the second tab to get to our product prices. Here you can see all of the products that you currently have enabled under Standard Print Clothing and their markup percentage. If we look beside Classic Tee, we can see the current markup percentage is 20%, giving us a current price of $22.66. But I think I'll raise my markup percentage up to 25%, increasing my price to $23.60. When building your shop, you may have to adjust your prices multiple times until you find the best performer. While you're here, feel free to update the prices of any other products you wish as well. Once you're finished, make sure you go down and click on Apply Changes. Now that I've updated my price, let's scroll all the way down to the bottom of the edit page. Confirm I still have the rights to sell this design, then click on Save Work. My new changes should then be saved, and my price should then be updated. So to make sure everything went as planned, let's scroll down to my products here, go down to the three dots here under Classic T-shirt, then click on View Product Page. And voila! The price for my Karate Martial Artist Classic t-shirt has been increased to $23.60. So that's an overview of how to update the price of an individual product, but now let's go over how to update your product prices in bulk. Let's start by going up to our account icon at the top right here. Then we're going to go down to our account settings tab. Here's where you can update your artist profile and access your artist tools. From the artist tools menu on the left hand side, let's go down to the product pricing tab. This will take you to a page where you can view all the products on Redbubble, the retail price, your margin, and your markup percentages. Instead of adjusting the product price for a particular design, you can come here to adjust the prices for all the products in your shop at the same time. For drawstring bags, for example, we can see my current retail price is $33.83, giving me a margin of $5.64. If I wanted to increase my margin for a product, all I have to do is increase my markup. When you update a markup, you'll also see an option pop up underneath here where you can apply it to all products in your shop. Feel free to adjust the markup for all of your products, or select particular products you want to change the prices for. To add your adjustments to all your designs, make sure you select the checkbox here. And once you're finished, go ahead and click on the Save New Default Markups button. And there we have it. My pricing settings have been saved and applied to all of my works. So that's an overview of how to update your prices on Redbubble for individual products and for all the products in your portfolio. Feel free to test out various prices over time and see which ones work the best. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.